How to switch back to personal account on Instagram. If you have switched to a business or creator account on Instagram and want to return to a personal account, then follow these simple steps. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Instagram account. Now, once in there, tap on the profile picture of yours at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile. Once inside your profile, tap on the three dashboard at the top right corner of your screen and navigate to Settings and Privacy. Inside Settings, scroll down and there you will get to see Creator Tools option available and simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, scroll down till the bottom and there you will get to see Switch Account Type option available. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, tap on the Switch to Personal account and confirm by tapping Switch to Personal when prompted. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.